Very good morning, my dear children. Today in this session we will start with Learn Well English Unit 4.2. Name of the lesson is Hiroshima, a Living Lesson. You might have heard the story of Hiroshima and Nagasaki where there was bomb blast. Now let's see what is given in this chapter. I will explain you. Last August I went to Hiroshima for the first time. Like most other people, I had read about what happened there towards the end of the Second World War. That was in 1939 to 1945, and wanted to see the place with my own eyes. Means the author wanted to see that what he had heard was really true or not. So he visited. Hiroshima is situated on the island of Honshu. It is the largest and the most heavily populated island of Japan. The winters here are mild and the summers are warm and humid. Hiroshima was originally an important trade center. Means trading was done. Today it is a place of high-rise office blocks, trendy department stores, expensive designer shops, shipyards, needle factories, and karaoke bars. It has a population of over 1 million. You can see over here the pictures of street. It's given. But Hiroshima is the best known for what happened on 6th August 1945, before our independence. At 18:15 am, an American bomber, the Enola Gay, flew in from Tainia Island in the Pacific Ocean. Its target was the Aoi Bridge on the Ota River in Hiroshima. From a height of 9,970 meters, it dropped an atom bomb. The dropping of the bomb caused such damage that the world had never seen before. An area of about 5 square kilometers in the center of the city was flattened. A huge mushroom-shaped cloud towered over the ruins. Almost everything was destroyed. See, from such a height, from 9,917 meters of height, he dropped the bomb. You can see over here. See how it was when bomb blasted. You can see over here the picture is given. The dropping of the bomb caused such damage that the world had never seen before. 5 square kilometers in the center of the city was flattened. A huge mushroom-shaped cloud towered over the ruins. Almost everything was destroyed. 4 schools suddenly disappeared as if they had never existed. See children, 4 schools. Over 140,000 people were killed and many more injured. The heat of the explosion was so much that even metals got melted. Those who survived became the victims of radiation, and that caused cancer and other disease. Their wounds would not heal. They would close and again open up. Even minor burns took months to heal. Almost everyone had bleeding gums. The fall of hair became a common problem, leaving many men and women almost bald. Means totally it was ruined, a big disaster. You can see what had happened with the people, what problems were there after this bomb blast. Father Klingsorg, a German missionary who visited the city a day later, writes, "I had heard voice asking for water from the underbrush. Have you anything to drink?" The people were shattered, and from there in the corner he heard the voice that I want something to drink. You can see over the pictures the people are lying over here. And this man had gone and he heard the noise that he wants water. That man was alive. When Father Klingsong bent down to look, he saw a uniform, thinking there was just one soldier. He approached with the water, but he saw there about 20 men lying, and they were and all in exactly the same nightmare state. Their faces were wholly burned. Their eye sockets were hollow. There were no eyes inside, Eyes were hollow. The fluid from the melted eyes had run down the cheeks. 2 months after the blast, see children, 2 months after the blast, Hiroshima's trams were moving again. But most of the city was still a wasteland. Rebuilding is still going on to this day. There are a number of clinics to help the bomb survivors. Hiroshima has various memorials and shrines built to commemorate what happened in 1945. I visited most of these shrines. I saw the stone coffin which contains books listing those killed by a bomb. And the epitaph reads, "Rest in peace, for the error shall not be repeated." In the museum, writers saw a film of the actual bomb being dropped. The various exhibits displayed there included the twisted bicycle frames, the burnt roof tiles, the horrible photos of deformities caused by the 6th August 1945 blast. At the gift shop, I bought a t-shirt with "No More Hiroshimas" printed on it. You can see over here picture of people sitting in the open ground is given over here, and you can see they can buy the t-shirts are also printed over there. "No More Hiroshimas" means now people are not. On the evening of 6th August, people attended the peace ceremony which is held on this day every year in Hiroshima. This is those who are alive, those who are there, for them they all sit together. Those who had died in that bomb blast, they attend the ceremony for peace. There were thousands of people present at that ceremony. Tiny lanterns were lit and placed on the waters of the river. Each lantern symbolizes a prayer for world peace. There were lot of other tourists there, but very few of them took any photos. They were too deeply moved to click their cameras. The scene was very sorrowful, so they didn't even click in their cameras, were not able to see. The peace ceremony focuses one's mind on the death and destruction caused by war. In 1945, there were only 3 nuclear weapons in the world. Now there are enough to destroy every living thing, plants, animals, human beings on this earth. One nuclear weapon can kill the population of the entire city. Many governments and organizations are opposed to the manufacture and stockpiling of nuclear weapons. If this opposition becomes worldwide and nuclear weapons go out of fashion, there may be some hope that the wish expressed on my t-shirt will come true.